Here's another one I'm going to sell. This is a Case 120. This is a gear drive. The transmission that's sitting on there is not bolted down at the minute. It's a toolbox. The seat also is not bolted down. This is a 10-horse Kohler. As you can tell, the front tires are junk. That's the front grille. Hood's got a dent in it. Steering wheel, bad. Manual lift. Now this one I did take the air filter off about 2 months ago, and I jump started it. I used a jump starter and I sprayed some gas in, and it took off and it ran for as long as I sprayed gas in it, and it didn't smoke or nothing. Well, it smoked a little bit when it first started because it has been sitting for a long time, as you can tell. So I'm sure the carburetor will need to be cleaned and stuff, but this one's gonna go down the road too. So if you're interested, contact me. Thank you.